soybean crop looks pretty good. I don't know why so many farmers focus on soybean and corn. It seems lazy to me. Why don't you focus on things that Americans need, like tomatoes, lettuce, cucumbers, peppers. Crops that farmers actually have to manage, maintain, to make a decent profit, instead of something like that you just plant the whole field and let it go. Just lazy. And then get mad at a president when China doesn't buy your soybeans. It just seems dumb. Alright, so here is 360, and you see the guy on the little Polaris, whatever that thing is. The three-wheeled Sea-Doo. Even they don't know about that road. But we're on 360 now, headed back to Tellico Plains. And there you have it. That's it. End of my video. Nah, I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go all the way to the Tellico market. What the heck? I need the content. 1,000 videos on YouTube, just not enough. Maybe somebody will actually watch this video and give me a thumbs up, and I might earn like 0.00000 cent. YouTube does not pay well. If people would hit that thumbs up button for every video they watch, it would really help YouTube, the YouTube creators. It would help them out a lot. I don't know what it takes to go viral. I don't feel that's ever going to be me. Alright, we're coming into Tellico Plains. Whee! Yay! There's the Shell station that's been there since the invention of gasoline. And that guy doesn't know about the road we just came off of. If he ever took that left, he sure would be happy. I would assume that even Harley riders like fresh pavement. Oh, the temperature's down. It's 86 degrees in Tellico Plains. Oh, it's like a cold front just blew through. And I'm gonna whip in here and we're gonna take a break, because we've been sitting here for at least an hour and a half now. So this is the Tellico Skyway Market. That woman that runs this store during the day is like the rudest lady on the planet. Harry should get rid of her. But enough about that. Hey, hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.